Wicked Modder here with a send-in service proof video for Ashley L. of Nebraska. Ashley, this is the Jasper console that you sent in for service. We RGH'd it using the Matrix V1 RGH 1.2 methodology. So it does require RGH2 images when you build new NAND images, but it is an RGH 1.2 install type. As you'll see here, that provides a really nice fast boot experience. Console boots in 15-20 seconds every single time without hesitation. We've got blue LEDs, as was your request. We've got normally Freestyle dash launch XCX menu, that sort of stuff installed for you. However, given the lack of any storage, as seems you recognized writing on your proof video, or on your send-in form rather, that I can't preload anything since you didn't send any storage, but it sounds like you got that sorted out on your own already. So just a kind of a secondary proof for you, I wanted to turn the console on using the eject button and cause it to boot into Zell, thus demonstrating that it is in fact, RGH'd here. So if we let me just cut the power real fast and then replug it in, and then if we boot it with eject, so obviously the disk tray comes out. But when we get the actual boot here, then when we flip over to the display screen, what you'll see is rather than a dashboard, you get the Zell output there. Yeah, let me just resize that. So, thank you very much for your patience. I know this took a little bit longer than is my normal. We're still within our 10-day turnaround, but you might be able to hear it in my voice. We've been kind of battling the flu at my house, so I hand sanitized real good before I messed with your console, though. So enjoy, and thanks for your business.